How to remove someone from Instagram group chat. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to walk you through on how to remove someone from your Instagram group chat. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we head on to that specific group chat, let's first check if our Instagram is up to date. So to do that, let's just visit our app store, or if you have an Android, just open up your Play Store and search for Instagram. Just click on Instagram and let's focus on this button right here. If that says update, that means that your Instagram is currently outdated. So just click on the update button so that you will have the latest features within the app, especially the feature of being able to remove someone from a group chat. And however, if that says open, that means that your Instagram is currently up to date and you're good to go. Now let's just go ahead and open up Instagram once we're done updating it. And first thing that we're going to make sure is that you should be at the home page. So if you're from your profile page like this one, you can just click on the home icon at the bottom left-hand corner. And from here, you should see the messenger icon at the top right corner. So just click on that. And this is where your group chats and conversations should be listed. So just open up that certain group chat that you want to remove a member from. For example, on this group chat, I want to remove someone. So just click on your group name right here. And it should open up many options and many settings for this particular group chat. So let's just scroll down a bit and you should see the members of this group chat. So these are the members of the group chat I have right here. And for example, I want to remove this one member. Just click on this three-dotted icon right beside the follow option if that shows. Or if you see any three-dotted icon right beside the name, just click on that. And immediately you should see the option to remove from group. So like that member should be immediately removed from the group and also be shown at the conversation as an update. So that is how you can basically remove someone from Instagram group chat. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today and have a great day.